Lawmakers termed the federal budget 2025 to 26 as realistic and pro-people. Talking to our correspondent Anam Abbasi, they said this is a responsible budget which was proposed keeping in view the problems of the poor people of the country.
We are standing here with the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, Dr. Tariq Fazal Chaudhry. Let's ask him what are his key takeaways.
Government is trying its best that the budget should be a people-friendly budget. We know the sufferings which the people of Pakistan are facing nowadays, especially in terms of so many difficulties, economic issues are there. The country is passing through a lot of challenges, economic challenges, and inflation is, of course, one of the biggest challenge for the general public. And we are trying our best that it should be a friendly budget for the people of Pakistan. And we are trying to expand the tax net, not to overburden the taxes which are already there.
How do you think the budget is providing relief to the common man?
See, with the difficulties the government had to face when it came into power, I think these were very challenging days. But Alhamdulillah, I would like to congratulate the Prime Minister and the Finance Minister and his team for doing an incredible job. And they have looked into everything. Things that which were not addressed previously, they have been addressed that. For instance, I think that for the first time, Pakistan is working more on the Pakistan reservoirs. I think this war has taught us that now we need to be working more on the water security, like climate change. So like from education to health to employment, and I think it's the first time that we have worked so hard on agriculture sector that we are taking students and sending them to China with fully funds and to increase to bring in more information and technology in agriculture sector, and then giving relief to that poor farmer on insecticides, no taxation on that.
The social protection budget is deducted, and because we have a large amount of loan and a lot of money will be spent to reverse the loan, and that's why the social protection programs will remain limited.
I think so. This budget is a very friendly budget because we are going to have a very good effect on our socio-economic status as well. We have an increasing our pays of the government employees from grade 1 to grade 22, a 6% increase in that their monthly pay. So I think so it will be help out in different, and we are having our different initiatives like we are giving the youth programs to our youth. I think so this is also very good for our youth that they're going to have their skill programs. We have a good investment on the women entrepreneurs that they have women. We are working on the women empowerment as well as the youth empowerment. I think so it's a very friendly budget.
I think budget is better for the ordinary peoples, and increase the salary 10% and slab of salaries very low, 5 to decrease, and 1%, and too much relief in this budget for the people.
The budget for the fiscal year 2025 has just been presented by the Minister of Finance, Mohammad Aurangzeb. The key takeaways of this budget were that almost 4 billion rupees have been invested in the agriculture sector, which was much needed as the agriculture sector had not shown a good progress in the last year due to the climate change and its adverse effect. The budget has also focused on the salaried class, in which there is a raise in the salaries of government employees, providing the relief to the salaried class people. The budget has also focused on the out-of-school children, and according to the educational emergency posed in 2024 by the Honorable Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, this budget has mainly allocated a lot of its finances towards education, for bringing all those students back in the school who have been out of the school. So we can see that this budget is a mix of promising factors which have contributed to improve the economic indicators of the countries. This is Anam Abbasi for PTV World.